Understanding Foundation Shade, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up in beauty and cosmetics: foundation shade. This term may sound straightforward, but it has specific nuances in English. Let's dive into what it means and how to use it effectively in conversation. First, let's understand what foundation is. In cosmetics, foundation is a skin-colored makeup applied to the face. It creates an even, uniform color to the complexion, covers flaws, and, sometimes, alters the natural skin tone. Foundations come in various forms like liquid, powder, or cream. The word shade in cosmetics refers to the color or tint of a makeup product. It's important in ensuring the product matches the skin tone of the person using it. For foundation, the right shade is crucial for a natural look. It's not just about being light or dark. It also involves undertones like cool, warm, or neutral. Understanding foundation shade is essential for anyone interested in makeup or beauty. The correct foundation shade blends seamlessly with your skin, providing a natural and flattering look. Choosing the wrong shade can result in your face looking too pale, too dark, or unnaturally colored. When talking about foundation shade, you might say, "I'm looking for a foundation shade that matches my skin tone. Do you have this foundation in a lighter shade?" Finding the right foundation shade can be challenging. These sentences show how the term is commonly used in English, especially in contexts related to beauty and cosmetics. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and use of foundation shade in English. Remember, it's not just about finding any foundation. It's about finding the right shade that complements your skin. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.